Now in this video I will show you that how you will design the footer content for your letterhead. So you can use pen tool if you want to make a design here, like for the background, and when you select the pen tool, make sure there is no color selected, fill color. And now for example, you can start from this corner and then press and hold shift and then click here. Now click here, and then for example, if you want to make a curve, so anywhere you can click, see it will make a curve. I will make here something like this, and then you should click on this anchor point, and now click here, and then click on this anchor point, and then click on the very first anchor point from where we started. Now we have this shape, you can see, and now you can fill this background with one of your logo colors. Like you can see I'm using two colors in my logo. You can see one this orange and something like blue, you can see here. So if I want to use this color, so what I will do, this fill color I will copy, and then we'll select this shape, and now you can double click here and control V. So we have same, you can see the color here. Now the next thing, it's not like smooth, and the path is not smooth, so we can use a tool here which is called smooth tool to make it smooth, so it will look much better. See, so it's looking much better. Now from here, if you want, you can also use direct selection tool. So if you want to change the path as you want, you can change. Okay, so we will not change it, and you can see here. Now in this area you can also place your address. So we will put our address here. Even if you want, like if you don't want to use this one, you can also delete this one, and instead of this, if you want a normal, like a rectangle in your footer of letterhead, so you can also use this. So whatever you like, you can use. You can also use add anchor point, so you can add anchor point anywhere, and then using this tool, direct selection tool, you can also change this path if you want. So it's up to you, as you want to use, you can. So in the center of the document you can add, and see, let me show you once again. Add anchor point, and this is the center point, you can see. So here you can add. So now you can use this direct selection tool and see. So address we can write. So what we will do, like same font I will use, so press and hold Alt key and make it duplicate. Then business official address, you will type here like building name, and whatever the building name, and house number, or anything, and then city, then PO box, and then your country name. So you will type your entire address, and then you will put, you can put here even, and you can see now the layer, we have this layer. So this is in behind of this path, so we can move it from here to there. So now it's on top of this layer. Control plus for zoom, and we can place like this, and if you want like the color should be white, you can select from here, and now you can see the address is showing here. And if you want like the size should be something like this, we can also use this size. And if you press like Control Shift O, so you can see the layer is now like this. So you can select this layer, then press and hold Shift and select background, and then press and hold Alt and then again click background. Now you can make like this is vertical align center according to this, and this is vertical align bottom, and this is vertical align top. So anywhere you can place, but I will place something like here. Okay. Address, I think so, because we have created like this. So you know, if we create a guide like this, so the address will look much better if address will look and you know, address will start from here. So what we will do, like just a minute. Yes, so we will change the size of text and we'll move here. So the guide I will again create, and this time we will change the size to 13, or we can use, you know, Alt plus Shift, or only Alt also we can use. So something like this. This one looks much better. So like this we have added this, and one more thing, like we can copy another layer here, and if you want you can add your mobile number. So plus 00 and whatever the mobile number you can add here. And if you go to window, symbols, and here you can see, if you click here, then open symbol library, and in mobile you can find here, you know, like whatever you want to add. For this mobile, we want a mobile symbol, so we can add, like you can see this is for SMS, and if I'm not wrong, this one phone, so we can use this one. So you can drag and drop in your letterhead, and then you can move it here. So it looks much better now. So we have also added like footer content, and in the next video I will show you that how we can save this letterhead design like as Illustrator file and as PDF file. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and if you have not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much.